What's up everybody, welcome to the first video on my new channel where I'm going to be walking you through restoring this 1971 Karmann Ghia that we just recovered. I'm super excited about it. I'm also going to be showing you some how-tos, tips and tricks on some other mechanical stuff. Basically think of it as how to build something on a blue-collar budget. With that being said, let's check out the car.
I don't know, Chris. I think you should get this thing back. You're not going to get any girls in this.
So we got it all blown out, got rid of the rat turds and all the bugs in the car. Now it's time to get it on the trailer, bring it to my garage. So now we got it blown, so now it's blown out. So we got it blown out, now it's time to take it, now it's time to hook it. God damn it, dude. And actually start and get into some real work. No.
Good?
No, one more time.